I welcome you all in this session. Today we are going to construct an NFA that accept set of all strings over A and B, where every string must starts with AB. So first we will try to find the sigma here, that is A and B. Here our language L will be infinite. Here we have to accept strings like AB, ABA, ABB, AB, AB and ABBA, so on. So here the condition is the string must start with small ab. Now we will try to construct the NFA. Here we have to construct the NFA in such a way that it must accept small ab first, and then there may exist any number of small a or b. So the first condition is it should accept only small a from initial state A. So from initial state A, on input small a, the next state will be B, and from state B on input small b, the next state will be C. And there may be a condition where there may not exist any other alphabet after the first occurrence of AB, like this string. So the state C must be final in order to accept strings like AB. And there may exist any number of small a or small b after the first occurrence of AB. So this NFA will accept all the strings that belongs to this language. We can cross check with one other input, that is ABBA. So starting from the initial state A on input small a, our next state will be B. From state B on input small b, our next state will be C. Now from state C on input small b, our next state will be C. On input small a, from state C, our next state will be C, and C is a final state. So this NFA will accept all these input string and the strings that starts with small ab. So this is the desired NFA that will accept the given language. So this is all from my side for today's session. Thank you for joining.